Volatility continues as the interest rates rise. Let's check the news. Converge portal volume breakdown. That means less people are buying stable coins. So it will be no buying pressure in the crypto market. The Fed warns of continued hawkish outlook. So we have more downside. Since the merge last week, the market has been in a rock spot. The merge was a bad thing for the crypto market, not as what people expected. And the merge hype busted. For the next upgrades, we have EOS and EDA and token 2049. Expect those events soon. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more crypto news.